3-head CNC adjustable pipe drilling machine explanation video 4 episodes in total. Episode 1. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce our 3-head machine to you pipe drilling machine. This drilling machine is specifically designed for drilling pipes. This is an iron square tube, round tube, stainless steel 314-306 can all be used. PVC and PE pipes of this type of plastic can be drilled. Plastic adhesive strip are also acceptable, and this type of aluminum alloy profile drilling is also acceptable. So we say that this machine is designed for drilling holes and targets a wide range of materials. The first characteristic is fast drilling, and everyone can see 3 heads, which means that I can drill 3 holes simultaneously at once, so it is very efficient and fast. The second feature is that all of our positioning fixtures, including the rear support and front pneumatic automatic fixtures, have been prepared for customers. This is a turnkey project. The customer only needs to connect the electricity and air, which is also very convenient. It is located at the back of the machine, and this is the external air duct. The external power supply is 380 volt. After connecting the electricity and air, you can directly put the pipe into the drilling position of our machine. The third feature is that the spacing of holes with different lengths can be drilled according to the length of the pipe workpiece through our adjustable left and right support. Move it over to this position, then fix it in place when we need to drill. Keep it tight.